Hi, this is Kiara and Patrick from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial demonstrating how you can use pop-out video in Pencil Spaces. So we currently have a variety of different ways you can view your participants' video boxes. You can go into Gallery View. Let that load. Or you can even collapse your video boxes. So to activate pop-out video in Pencil Spaces, you are going to navigate to the three dots at the bottom of your video box and select pop-out video. From there, you can choose between a grid, vertical, or horizontal view. I'm going to select grid view. So now in the pop-out video view, you can move around and your participants will stay with you. You can also use pop-out video while screen sharing. So I'm going to share my screen by selecting the Share Screen button. I'm going to select the tab I wish to share, click Share. And now I can share my screen while still being able to view my students. Patrick, can you see my screen?
I can see your screen, all good here.
Awesome. It's important to note that Patrick will not be able to see the pop-out video on my screen. He will only be able to see the screen I'm sharing. One important thing to note is that when I stop screen sharing, my pop-out video will also stop. The video of my participants and myself will now once again be on the right-hand side. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the Help button found at the top right-hand side of your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.